Welcome back to Top Wonder. Dear viewers, many marine creatures defend themselves with speed or camouflage, but some possess toxins and hidden weapons strong enough to injure humans within seconds. Their appearances range from unusual to almost invisible beneath the sand, yet their venom ranks among the most dangerous in the ocean. Today, Top Wonder will introduce to you the most venomous and hazardous fish species ever discovered. Now, let us begin our journey into the depths. Number 10. Stingrays. Stingrays are cartilaginous fish with flat, disc-shaped bodies and long tails equipped with one or more venomous spines. They often lie partially buried under shallow sand, using camouflage to avoid predators and to ambush small fish or crustaceans. Because they remain motionless, most injuries occur when swimmers accidentally step on them. The spine can pierce deeply, sometimes breaking off inside the wound, making medical removal difficult. Their venom causes intense burning pain, tissue necrosis, and in rare cases can trigger systemic shock. Although they are generally gentle and not aggressive, the reflexive tail strike is extremely fast and powerful. Some species, such as the blue-spotted stingray, have bright warning colors, while others blend perfectly into the seafloor. Stingrays inhabit tropical and subtropical coastal waters around the world, including the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. Despite their danger, they play an important ecological role as predators of bottom-dwelling animals. Number 9. Boxfish. The boxfish is known for its rigid, geometric body encased in a bony carapace that forms a nearly perfect cube. This armored shell restricts mobility, so the fish relies on slow, deliberate swimming using jet-like fin motions. When stressed or injured, boxfish release a powerful toxin called toxin, which can kill surrounding fish in enclosed spaces, such as aquariums. This toxin can also irritate human skin and eyes, making the species hazardous when handled improperly. Juvenile boxfish are often brightly colored, while adults develop more muted patterns as camouflage among corals. They feed on algae, small invertebrates, and sponges, helping control reef growth. Boxfish are found in coral reefs across the Indo-Pacific region, particularly around Indonesia, the Philippines, and the Great Barrier Reef. Despite their small size, their defensive chemistry makes them one of the more surprising dangers in marine environments. Number 8. Stargazers. Stargazers bury themselves beneath sand or mud with only their eyes and mouth visible, waiting patiently to ambush prey. Their upward-facing features give them a strange and unsettling appearance, earning them the name stargazer. Several species possess venomous spines above the pectoral fins, while others have electric organs capable of delivering shocks up to 50 volts. Their venom can cause severe pain, swelling, and dizziness in humans unfortunate enough to step on or disturb them. Despite their dangerous defenses, stargazers rely mainly on stealth and sudden strikes to capture fish, crabs, or shrimp that swim overhead. They are found in the Atlantic Ocean, Mediterranean Sea, and throughout the Indo-Pacific region, living at depths ranging from shallow beaches to over 100 meters. Their ability to remain invisible makes them one of the most frequently overlooked hazards in sandy coastal areas. Fishermen sometimes catch them accidentally and must handle them with caution to avoid the venomous spines. Number 7. Stonefish. The stonefish is widely considered the most venomous fish on the planet, armed with 13 sharp dorsal spines linked to venom glands. Its body mimics the appearance of a rough, algae-covered rock, allowing it to blend seamlessly into coral reefs and sandy bottoms. When stepped on, the spines penetrate deeply and inject venom that causes extreme pain, often described as unbearable, and can lead to paralysis or even heart failure. Stonefish rarely move, relying on perfect camouflage to ambush prey such as small fish and crustaceans. Their venom is strong enough that antivenom is required in severe cases, and emergency treatment often involves immersing the wound in hot water to break down toxic proteins. They are responsible for many marine injuries each year, especially in the Indo-Pacific region. Some individuals can survive for hours out of water, making them particularly dangerous along rocky shores. Despite their alarming reputation, stonefish play a crucial role in controlling populations of reef fish. Number 6. Weaver fish. The weaver fish spends most of its life buried under sand in shallow beaches, leaving only its eyes and venomous dorsal fin exposed. It also has venomous spines near the gills, which it uses when disturbed or accidentally stepped on. The venom causes severe burning pain, swelling, and in some cases nausea or temporary paralysis. Because they prefer warm, sandy beaches, the same areas frequented by humans, they are one of the most common causes of venomous injuries in European coastal waters. Many beachgoers never see them until it is too late due to their excellent camouflage. Weaver fish feed on small fish, crustaceans, and worms, ambushing them as they pass overhead. They are found along the coasts of Europe, North Africa, and parts of the Mediterranean. Their venom is heat-sensitive, so initial treatment usually involves immersing the affected area in hot water. Though small in size, they remain one of the most dangerous shallow-water fish to encounter. You've just seen the shocking dangers hiding beneath the sand and coral reefs. But the next creatures are on an entirely different level. Sharper venom, faster strikes, more terrifying defenses. Some of them can kill with just a touch, and the top two? So small you might ignore them until it's already too late. Brace yourself, the most dangerous ones are coming next. Number 5. Lionfish. The lionfish is one of the ocean's most recognizable predators, famous for its striking striped body and long, venomous fins that fan outward like a lion's mane. Beneath this beauty lies a powerful toxin delivered through needle-like spines on its back, pelvis, and anal fins. A sting can cause throbbing pain, swelling, paralysis, and in severe cases, respiratory distress. Lionfish hunt by cornering small fish and crustaceans, using their large pectoral fins to trap prey before swallowing them whole. They are native to the Indo-Pacific, but invasive populations in the Atlantic and Caribbean have exploded, damaging coral reef ecosystems. Because they have almost no natural predators in those regions, their numbers grow rapidly. Divers must handle them extremely carefully, as even a dead lionfish can still deliver venom. Despite the danger, lionfish are admired for their mesmerizing movements and vivid colors. They remain one of the most iconic but hazardous species in shallow tropical waters. Number 4. Surgeonfish. Surgeonfish earn their name from the scalpel-like spines on either side of their tail, sharp enough to slice deep into flesh. These spines fold flat when the fish is relaxed, but snap outward instantly when threatened. A swipe from the tail can leave long, painful wounds, and infections from coral bacteria often make injuries worse. Surgeonfish are herbivores, grazing on algae that grow across coral reefs and helping maintain ecological balance. They inhabit warm tropical waters around the world, especially in the Red Sea, Indian Ocean, and Pacific. Their vibrant colors, blues, yellows, and stripes make them popular in marine aquariums, but handling them is risky. When captured, they thrash violently, using their tail blades as weapons. Some larger species can reach up to 40 to 50 centimeters, delivering surprisingly strong cuts. Though not venomous, their living scalpel easily earns them a place among dangerous marine fish. Number 3. Toadfish. The toadfish gets its name from its broad mouth, lumpy skin, and croaking vocalizations that resemble a toad. It hides in crevices or burrows, lunging out to swallow prey such as shrimp, crabs, and small fish. Several species possess venomous spines on their dorsal fins, capable of inflicting painful stings when touched. Their venom causes swelling, numbness, and intense localized pain. Toadfish produce loud, buzzing calls during mating season, sounds strong enough to be heard underwater and even through boat hulls. They live in shallow coastal waters across the Americas, often blending perfectly into mud or rocks. Because they stay motionless for long periods, fishermen sometimes grab them by accident and get stung. Despite their unattractive appearance, toadfish are resilient survivors with powerful jaws and tough bodies adapted to harsh environments. Number 2. Sabertooth Blenny. Small but shockingly dangerous, the Sabertooth Blenny is armed with 2 long fangs that deliver a potent venom. Unlike most venomous fish that rely on spines, this species bites directly, injecting opioids that can cause immediate pain relief followed by swelling and disorientation. The venom disables predators long enough for the blenny to escape. Sabertooth blennies often mimic harmless reef fish to avoid detection, blending into coral environments with stunning accuracy. They inhabit shallow reefs across the Indo-Pacific, especially near Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. Despite their tiny size, often just a few centimeters, they can bite much larger fish and even draw blood from humans. Their jaws are incredibly fast, snapping forward before predators can react. These miniature vampire fish prove that ocean danger doesn't always come from the largest creatures. Number 1. Pufferfish. Pufferfish are famous for their ability to inflate their bodies into spiky, balloon-like spheres when threatened, making themselves too large to swallow. But their true danger lies inside. Many species carry tetrodotoxin, one of the most lethal natural poisons on Earth. Just a tiny amount can paralyze muscles and stop breathing within minutes. Despite their cute appearance, their toxin is hundreds of times stronger than cyanide. Pufferfish live in warm coastal waters worldwide, especially Japan, where skilled chefs prepare the delicacy fugu. A single mistake in preparation can be fatal. Some species also possess sharp beaks capable of crushing shells and even injuring divers. Their slow swimming makes them easy prey, but their extreme toxicity gives them one of the strongest defense systems in the animal kingdom. Without question, the pufferfish stands at the top of the most dangerous and toxic fish on the planet. And those were the 10 most toxic and dangerous fish on the planet. Some hide beneath sand, others disguise themselves as harmless beauties, but every one of them carries the power to injure or even kill. Which species shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the next wild adventure from Top Wonder. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.